There are some fantastic movies coming to our screens this summer, and we at the Goss have got a sneak preview of some of them for you. Sometimes we all feel like watching a popcorn movie. We get a massive tub and bring it to our seat and settle in for 2 hours of mindless escapism. The Avengers, starring Robert Downey Junior, is that kind of film. It'll bring together the superhero team of Marvel Comics characters for the first time ever, including Iron Man, Captain America, Thor and the Hulk, as they're forced to band together to battle the baddies. But if it's a rom-coms you're into, then the movie of the summer has got to be What to Expect When You're Expecting, which stars Cameron Diaz and Jennifer Lopez. The story will follow the relationships of 4 interconnected couples as they experience thrills, terrors, aches and pains as they prepare to embark on parenthood. We can't wait for this one. But for comedy of a different sort, there's The Dictator with Sacha Baron Cohen, as he tries to recreate some of that Borat magic. Let's be honest, Bruno just wasn't as good. In this one, his alter ego will be Saddam Hussein, who gets abducted by the agents of the United States government. Stripped of his clothing, money and beard, then set back into the wilds of New York. We're reserving judgment on this one, but the trailer is actually quite funny.